Two winter storms are underway. The first one is bringing heavy rain and potentially severe storms across the south for Tuesday and Wednesday, before spreading heavy snow across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes by Thursday and Friday. The other storm is currently bringing snow and rain to the northwest. As we head through the week, this system will become similar to a clipper, producing widespread light snow showers across the north. Once it moves southeast and approaches the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, this is when things get very interesting. Weather models have taken a sudden turn towards more of a southeastern or mid-Atlantic winter weather event. For today's forecast, we are going to focus in on the wintry side of these storms. I will also be explaining what needs to happen for southern snow to occur, and what may cause it not to happen. Just before we start with the video, I will ask that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on further updates. The first thing I wanted to review today is the latest weather model runs. I have the GFS, Canadian, and European models displayed. There is one key similarity between these models that I want you to know. Firstly, all of these weather models are agreeing that we will see an area of moisture around the southeast states this weekend. For those who like snow, this is a good sign. But there is also a difference between these models. While the GFS is showing snowfall for parts of Virginia and the Carolinas, the Canadian and European models are showing limited wintry precipitation in those areas. This is all because of the uncertainty in how cold it's going to be when this moisture is present. As an example, let's compare the forecasted temperatures on Sunday morning according to the American and Canadian models. We can take a look at both of these models and quickly see the problem. The GFS model is showing widespread temperatures right around the freezing mark, or just below, while the Canadian model shows temperatures well above freezing for this region. After doing this brief model comparison, what's the takeaway? At this point, it's looking pretty certain that there will be moisture in place this weekend somewhere in the southeast or mid-Atlantic. What we still have to figure out is the timing and magnitude of the cold air that is coming in. More updates will be provided in the coming days as we learn more about this storm system. Before we do close out today's forecast video, I did want to give you a quick update on the initial storm system which has already begun. Rain and storms will kick off this storm system Tuesday into Wednesday. As it heads north over the next day or so, we expect snow to begin developing in the northern portion of the storm on Wednesday night as it runs into freezing temperatures from northeast Kansas up into Wisconsin and portions of Michigan. There is still a little bit of disagreement regarding the snowfall totals, but I think it's safe to say that anywhere from eastern Iowa into northern lower Michigan will have the best shot at seeing a decent snowstorm. Areas in the blue will see mainly about a dusting to a few inches. Places within the purple may see between 6 and 10 inches of snowfall, especially around northeast Iowa, central Wisconsin, and northern Michigan. And that concludes this forecast. If you are interested in more updates from this channel, consider subscribing with the notification bell on. Thank you and see you soon.